How to fill out Form Schedule C on FreeTaxUSA. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fill out Form Schedule C on FreeTaxUSA step by step. So without further ado, let's get started. So first, open your web browser and go to the freetaxusa.com. And once you are in the main dashboard of that website, simply click on the sign in option. If you are a new user, you can click on create new account and follow the prompts to register. But if you already have an account, you can simply enter your username and password, and after that you can simply click on sign in now. And once you're logged in, start a new tax return for the tax year you are filling. After that, enter your personal information as prompted and navigate to the section labeled Self-Employment Income or Business Income. And this is where you need to enter details related to your business. You need to enter your business information, business income, business expenses, cost of goods sold, vehicle expenses, and other expenses as well. And once all required information is entered, you need to carefully review your return to ensure accuracy. You need to follow the on-screen prompts to submit your return electronically, and after submission, you will receive a confirmation message. And also keep a copy of your tax returns for your record. And that's how you can fill out Form Schedule C on FreeTaxUSA. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more useful videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.